Streetmeter is designed to help analyze and improve street design. The concept of the tool is, as you can see, very simple. Now I'm going to show you how it works in practice. Let's start by looking at how the tool can be used to evaluate an existing street. We're heading to Storgatan, located in the central part of Umeå, a city in northern Sweden. This street is part of the city's commercial core, lined with hotels and restaurants, but it's mostly dominated by space for car traffic. The sidewalks are quite narrow and there's not a lot of greenery, except for a few birch trees. People usually bike on the sidewalk. By typing the street's design and use into Streetmeter, we can start evaluating how Storgatan works today. On the first page, you will see the basic inputs needed to begin the analysis. Things like the street section, traffic flow, and speed. Right away, you will notice the calculations start running in the background. If you're unsure about what to enter in any field, just click the title for a quick explanation. On your screen, you now have the first results showing the values that Storgatan contributes with today. For example, we can see that the street has a flow capacity of around 6,000 people per day, and that the noise level is estimated at about 59 decibel. Red values indicate negative value creation, yellow means it's acceptable, and green signals a positive contribution, all based on standards, thresholds, and research. You can now continue entering data under the categories street width, street design, and street use. The total street width is calculated automatically. Any inputs you don't know can simply be left blank. When you hover over a field, the output values that are affected by that input will blink, so you can instantly see what it influences. At the top of the screen, you will find the street metric, which is Streetmeter's unique summary index that captures the overall value of the street. Streetmeter also includes a stakeholder analysis showing how different user groups are likely to experience the street. This helps to compare which groups benefit or don't from different designs. And once you're done, it's time to save your street to your account. Just fill in a name and a bit of background info. Don't forget to upload a photo of your street as well. It gives a clear visual reference for others viewing your project. Just like with the inputs, you can click on any output to learn more about what it means. You can also see which inputs you would need to change to improve a specific value. For example, here we can see that the average crossing time for pedestrians is affected by the number of crosswalks and the level of motor traffic on Storgatan. You will find all your saved streets under My Streets. Here you can share your analysis with others or download the results in Excel format. But it's not just your own street that you can access. Any street marked as searchable in the library becomes publicly available. Using the filter function, you can find similar streets from around the world to get inspired by. The idea of transforming Storgatan has been discussed for a long time within the municipality. The goal is to make the street more pedestrian and bike-friendly and to add more ecological qualities. In our work with Umeå municipality on a tactical transformation of the street, we returned to Streetmeter to analyze how our proposal aligned with these goals. Instead of re-entering everything, you can simply duplicate the existing street, give it a new name and image, and then adjust the values that have changed. In our proposal, we added a bike lane, widened the sidewalks, created new flex zones with greenery and seating in the painted areas, and reduced the width of the car lanes. Now, we have a complete analysis of the transformed street. The redesign sparked quite a bit of public debate, so to clearly show what kind of improvement it brought, we wanted to compare the performance of the original and transformed street design. Streetmeter has a specific feature for just that. Under the Compare Streets tab, you can compare any street from the open library. And here we have it, the results from both analyses side by side. We can see that the overall street metric has gone from 1.7 to 2.2, and the colors and arrows give a quick sense of whether the transformation is a step forward or not. We can also look at individual results. For example, the average distance between benches has been significantly reduced, now reaching a level that works well for older people. The more efficient use of space also means the street's capacity increased from just under 8,000 to nearly 12,000 people per hour. So that's it. We've gone through a whole range of features now, but the basic idea is the same as when we started. With just a few simple inputs about street design and street use, Streetmeter provides a data-driven analysis of the values a street contributes to the city.